Traditional ventilation systems consist of a ventilation unit and ventilation ducts, connected to rooms with air diffusers attached to the duct system. It does require some space above the ceiling to install the ducts connected to the air diffusers. If you look at smart ceiling, there are no ducts above the suspended ceiling. We utilize the space between the climate ceiling and the base ceiling as a pressure vessel. Through the pressure vessel, the air is led to supply the air diffuser, which is an integral part of smart ceiling. We do so to transport under-tempered air, potentially down to 13 degrees, to the pressure vessel. We are able to cool down the room in two ways: through radiation and through supply air diffusers. Cooling radiation is achieved by having the cooled air at 13 degrees spread across the entire ceiling system. This cools down the ceiling cassettes, which then cools the room through radiation. The other way is through supply air diffusers, which inject the air at a temperature of 16 to 17 degrees. By adding fan coils to the smart ceiling, the air can now be recycled based on the CO2 level and number of people in the room, measured by a control unit. Since our solution does not require ventilation ducts above the suspended ceiling, we can reduce the space above the smart ceiling to 300 mm. This means you can increase the floor-to-ceiling heights, or if it is a new construction, lower the floor-to-ceiling height. Both solutions are significant value investment and design-wise. With any smart ceiling solution, you have the option of heating by transferring over-tempered air in the space above the suspended ceiling instead of cooled air. By using smart ceiling, you cut down on installation time and building costs, plus you get effective and maintenance-free ventilation with a great design.